Hi guys, hello my popping queens. How are you all doing? How are you doing? Have you missed me? I miss you guys too. I hope you're popping. I know you're popping. Yes, I know you're popping. If you're popping, let me know in the comment section. Just say I am popping, because I know you're popping. Okay, so in today's video, as you can see, I've got my makeup done, but what is missing here? My hair. Okay, so today I'm gonna be installing my hair from where? Ta-da! So guys, in today's video I'll be installing hair from Beautiful Princess Hair. Before I proceed, I want to really say thank you so much for the love, for the comment. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. This is for you guys. Wow, beautiful, right? Okay guys, this hair did not come like so. Okay, this hair did not come like so. I've prepped this hair and I put it back in this net. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how this hair come and how I prep it before I put in this net. Okay, so stay tuned. The hair came like so in this beautiful pack. I have to prep it, of course. Yes, why not? You have to prep your hair before you wear your hair. Okay, you guys, for your side part to lay really well, you have to really what? You have to really hot comb it. So this is what I'm doing here. I did hot comb it, so the hair is gonna be looking what? Popping. So I plug the hair, I pat the hair because I want this beautiful side part. Also, I put on an elastic band. I apply powder, so it's looking more brown. You know, the hair is all plugged, looking nice. And look at the hair is popping and ready to install. So this is the hair here, people. So after I prep it, I put it back in here. My light is fluctuating, I don't know why. So after I prep it, I put it back in here. That's what I did. Let me show you guys. Beautiful, beautiful hair from Beautiful Princess Hair. Hair all nicely prepped, nice and ready for me to put on. So let me put it on. You guys, comment down below. All I can say is this week is popping. Like, look at that. Like, look at that. I'm looking cute. I am slaying. Okay. Beautiful princess hair is beautiful. Okay. Let me show you guys here. So beautiful. Okay, let me bring it forward so you guys can see the length. Let me go back. So beautiful. Like I said, yeah, I prepped this hair, so this is why it's sitting nicely like so. Okay, so you need to prep your hair. Some of you complain that when you buy your hair doesn't sit properly. It's because it's from the pack, straight from the pack. So you guys, this hair is so beautiful. Like, look at this, so nice, beautiful. I love it so much, and I love the hair quality as well. Look how it's flowing. Like, look how it's flowing. Just look at this hair. I love the texture, I love the density. It's really flowing really well. Like, girl, you need this hair in your life. Like, look how I'm popping. Like, look at this hair. Feels so good. Like, So now we're going to cut the excess lace off. Like, look at that. So this is my lace frontal. What lace? This is my scarf. You guys, straight wig it is. I'm gonna be rocking the straight hair, glueless straight hair wig. That's it for this hair from Beautiful Princess Hair. Make sure you guys show me some love in the comment section. If you want to see more of my review videos, please show me some love. Show me a lot of love in the comment section so I can come more often, okay? I love you guys so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Make sure you guys check out Beautiful Princess Hair, okay? Okay? And let me know what you think about my hair. If you think I'm popping, I love my hair. I also love my red lipstick as well. Yeah. So yes, that's it. Beautiful Princess Hair. I love it. I love it. I am popping. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.